Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the GPM Login software. First, you access to gpmloginapp.com. You can see it. This is the interface of the GPM Login website. To download, click Download for Windows. There are two versions, 64-bit and 32-bit. You can choose one of two versions to download. To match your device configuration, click on Download. Then you open the downloaded file to install. Software installation password you get at the installation guide on the website. Copy the password here. Paste the password just copied here. Click Next to continue the installation. Then you continue the steps, like installing other software. After the installation is completed, you'll see a system interface like this. You will see a message to import the license. To buy license, you can go back to GPM Login's website. Drag the mouse to the bottom of the page. Click on the Facebook channel. You will then be directed to the official Facebook page of GPM Login. Click on the message for this page to contact us directly to buy a license. After purchasing the license, you will be granted an account on the website for the user with the address as on the screen. Go to License Management and copy the license. Paste the location just copied here. Click Apply. Then you choose the location to save profiles. Note that you should not save your profile to Drive C. Drive C contains the operating system. So, when you have Windows reset, your data will be lost. Here I create a folder on Drive D. It's called GPM Profiles. Click APPLY to continue. This is the system interface. After filling out the license and selecting the location of the profiles, it looks like this. Your profile's information will appear here. In the next video, I'll show you how to use and adjust the parameters. Bye.